Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to Kitchen Adventures with Naomi. I'm Naomi. Today we are going to make a ridiculously simple but super delicious recipe. It is keto chocolate covered strawberries. I came across this recipe, of course, on Pinterest. I think it was Big Man's World. It's in the comments below. Or in the description, sorry. He has really good recipes, just so y'all know. Anyway, 3 ingredients. 3, that's it. So you have your fresh strawberries. So it calls for 24, which I had a 16-ounce packet of strawberries, and it had 25 in there, so 24 strawberries, or maybe a 16-ounce pack of fresh strawberries. You wash them, you dry them off real good, and all I did, so I take this rag, I just kind of just gently press. You don't want to make strawberry jam underneath here. So just kind of gently squeeze them all in here. Try to dry it off as best as you can, because you don't want there to be like a ton of liquid. I probably have too many strawberries. I just got carried away when I was washing them and chopping the tops off, because you don't have to. I personally just like being able to pick up a strawberry and just pop it right in my mouth and not have to worry about not getting any of the leaves in there, because I would get a leaf despite my best efforts. Okay, so these are all dry, and all you're gonna do is take a cup of, I use the Hershey's sugar-free chocolate chips. It's hot in here. So 1 cup of chocolate chips. I'm just pouring it into a microwave safe bowl. And then 1 generous teaspoon of coconut oil. I just popped it right there on top. And then I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 30 seconds, stir it, and then I think I put it in for 15 or 20 more seconds. I'm gonna do that now and I'll let you know. Okay, so it's been 30 seconds, so you can see that it's still kind of chippy. So you just want to stir it in best you can. It's still kind of hard, it's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just kind of want to stir it up a little bit. And I used my my little measuring teaspoon to mix it. And I'm going to put back in the microwave for a few more seconds. Okay, so I ended up cooking it for so I put it in for 30 seconds, stirred it, and then I put it in for 30 more seconds, and now it's like all perfect. See how it's kind of sort of runny, but not too much. So that's good. Be careful, the bowl may be hot. Don't want y'all getting burnt and blaming me. Okay. All right, so then I have a baking sheet, and I just covered it with some parchment paper. And I'm going to, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I'm just kind of a mess. So I just stick it, stab a fork through it, and then just kind of swish it around. I mean, it's not perfect. And then just set it right on the parchment paper. Just pick it up. And sometimes the strawberry will fall off or something like that. And that's just fine. You're just gonna get chocolate on your fingers. So I guess you'll just have to lick it off. I don't know. So yeah, so I just do that until all the strawberries are done. And how fast or slow it goes kind of just, oopsie. Oh, that one's kind of full of chocolate. How fast or slow it goes just kind of depends on you. If you're a whiz at dunking strawberries into chocolate and you can get it done in 2 minutes, kudos to you. Tell me your tricks. But for me, it takes a little bit longer. I like the littler strawberries because then you can just really just pop right in. When I go to eat it, the big, ooh, dropped it again. See, it's fine if you drop it. It's fine. It's no big deal. But I just kind of, and it doesn't matter like how you put your fork in the strawberry. I mean, just kind of whatever works. I don't know if frozen will work. Frozen strawberries, I mean, maybe, but I feel like they would be, there would be too much liquid in them. So you'd have to make sure that they were like completely thawed and then completely thawed and then dry them off as best as you can. So I feel like frozen strawberries would get kind of too soggy to do this personally. So I don't know if you guys can't see really, but I just kind of coat it. So I'll show you. It doesn't have to be thick or thin. So I just grab strawberry and then I just kind of roll it around and stick it off and then boop, right on the parchment paper. So after you get all these decadent treats covered, then you just stick it in the refrigerator for, I don't know, like 30 minutes maybe. Just enough to kind of harden. I mean, it says to leave it on the counter, but y'all in Arizona, you can't do that. It will forever stay sticky in the summer. just letting you know, it's not gonna work. It's too hot for that. So I'm just kind of do that, and then I just stick it in the refrigerator, like I said, for, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. It's really not that long if you wanted to eat it same day. I mean, you could try and leave it out on the counter and it'll just be gushy. It won't really be, the chocolate, I mean, will be kind of gushy. It won't be solid or crunchy like you ordinarily expect when you have chocolate covered strawberries. At least that's my thinking. I don't know. But anyway, so yeah, so you just kind of cover it all up and then stick it in the refrigerator till it hardens up and then enjoy. Legit, that's all it takes. So, oopsie. Well, 2 are kissing, it's fine. So I'm gonna finish this up and then I'll come back with the completed product. Okay, so here it is. It's hard little. It's really juicy. But it is so good. Be careful, y'all. They're addictive. Just FYI. I might have to make a whole separate batch for everybody else in your family. Just Just saying. But yeah, that's it. That's literally all it is. 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, and 24 strawberries. So simple. So you guys enjoy it. Let me know how it goes. Let me know if there's anything in particular you want me to try and make. But also, be sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss out on all these fun adventures that we have here in the kitchen. So, love you guys. Have a great day. Thanks for joining.